If you plan on starting your own seedlings this season, I just got the seed starting kit from Haas Tools, and I had to share it because it's truly one of the best sets I've gotten yet. So the first thing is that it comes with everything you need to start your seedlings, which is great. It comes with the plastic tray with the watering tray on the bottom, the individual cells where you put your plants. It also comes with a great quality seedling mix, and it comes with the plastic dome that you put on top. And the thing with this dome is it's not one of those flimsy domes that you get from the local garden center that falls apart after a season. It's actually really heavy duty. I don't know if you can hear this, but it's like super thick plastic that can be used year and year again. So you have your dome, your potting soil, your trays, the tray on the bottom that catches the water, and then as the seedlings get bigger, you can water from the bottom. And it comes with your plant marker, the marker tags themselves to stick in each cell to keep track of what you planted, a starter fertilizer, which you'll give to your plants once they have their first true set of leaves, and it comes with a very handy step-by-step instructions of how to start your seedlings. So it tells you how to fill up the trays with the soil, how to insert the seeds, how to water, how to take care of your seedlings, and then what to do once they germinate and how to fertilize. So as I was looking through on their website, I wanted to get a set to make sure it was a good set before recommending it. And I had a bunch of seedlings that I planned on getting started. And so I just got it in the mail and opened it up, and I am super pleased. So if you would like to check out this seedling starter kit, head to the link in the description. And then if you would like to learn how to successfully start your seedlings, be sure to head to my next video where I'm going to be covering 5 must-have tips for successfully starting your seedlings. I will see you there.